How to log into Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log in on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now logging in on Binance is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Binance application here. Once you launch the Binance app, you're going to see this type of interface here, right? So here you can say crypto novice or experienced user. Now you can just tap on this particular option here depending on what you want. Now if you have not created an account, you can tap on sign up with email or phone, but if you already have an account, you can just tap on the login option here. Then all you have to do is to simply make sure to enter the email address that is associated with your Binance account. Tap on the next option and then you'll be able to also enter your password, and once you enter your password you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then log in to your Binance account. This way you'll be able to log into your Binance account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.